Okay, so I'm in the midst of, well, not really the midst, I'm actually done with it. I I changed out the stereo because the one that was in it had two CDs in it, and like every time I started the car, or correction, started the truck, it would reset all the save stations and everything, and I hated it. I got sick of it, so I went out and I bought a cheap radio uh, to put in it. And after like 4 hours of work, excuse me, after 4 hours of work, I finally got it done. I don't know how good this is going to show up because it's pretty dark, but yeah. The only thing I have to worry about now is sometimes I think it turns on without the key in the ignition. That might be a wiring problem I might have to work on. Next project now is the tail light. I have a busted bulb, and then I'm gonna worry about siphoning out the gas out of the external gas tank. Fun. Yeah, fun. But I'll keep you guys posted.
He's drunk.